it's going to be over here in the shopping center, and we'll find out why it's freezing up the product. So let's get over here and do this. Oh yeah, it's got a evaporator fan motor going out. You hear that? All right, so that one there, they got the fridge is all full of product, and I know it's got a bad evaporator fan motor minimums, and they want to make their sandwiches in there, so they're going to empty it out tonight at the end because it's at 40 degrees right now, which is still okay. And we're going to get in there tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. and dig into that cooler so they can use it for their dinner rush. And for you new guys, it's okay to do that sometimes. If you don't have room or space to work on the unit and you need it cleared out and stuff, just talk with the manager or whoever's in charge, and you can get things scheduled up to get it so you can work on it. So I got another one up in the hills, another sandwich table. So let's go up there. We'll take a look at that one for tonight. A little sandwich table mayhem here, and we'll go see what we get into on this next one. This next one he says is hot, so we know it's not working. So let's go see what's wrong with it. Oh, the Humpty Dance. Oh! Drive up here. Let's grab the tools and see what's going on. Pulled out from behind the wall. I think this one's a turbo air. It's got a Tecumseh. It's got the dual condenser. I think it pulls from underneath. Doesn't look too bad under there. What's on this side? On charge. Had about a 2-pound section. And about 98 on the high side is 134A. So I'm going to get the leak detector and probably going to charge it up to get them going. Let's see where the leak's at. Alright, so put a little bit of gas in it. Got it looking about normal. And then we'll leak check this thing. Okay, it's already going nuts over here. This side of the coil is really bad. Get something here. Well, yeah. Getting hits off the evap coil. Like right in that area. Yeah, check. needs gaskets. And an evaporator. So I gotta get a price for evaporator and gaskets for this guy. Right there, it's about 10 years old. And turbo air, MST72. Pretty sure all the gaskets are roached. Yep. Classic. So that one's got a leaky evaporator coil. Gave him a price for that and for the gaskets. And then I gave him the bill for today, and he's all, man, I got to get a job like yours. And I told him, yeah, but you got to know what you're doing. That slowed him down a little bit. So that was good. All right, like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Oh, what do we got? Judas Priest? You got another thing coming, baby.